Hello, this is Ahmad Mirabi. In this video, I'm going to teach some topics in one topic in elementary science. It is about biology. It is about cells, tissues, organs, and organ system. It can be said it is elementary biology, which is usually taught in science of 4th to 7th grade. So it can be 4th, 5th, 6th, or 7th grade topic of science. Okay, let's start. Cells are building blocks of life. In multicellular organisms, they specialize and organize into more complex structures. In Farsi, we call cells cellul or yakhte. Okay, so the next one is tissues. Tissues are a group of similar cells working together for a specific function. For example, muscle tissue or epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue is also known as bafte pusheshi. Okay, and then the next step, there's a hierarchy here. The next step is organs. Organs are made of different tissues collaborating to perform important functions. In Farsi, we say andam ya uzv. For example, heart, lungs, these are organs of the body. Some other examples of organs are mind. It's better to say instead of mind, it's better to say brain. Because mind is something, there's difference between mind and brain. Okay. Brain is one organ. Ears, eyes, stomach, intestine, bowels, veins. These are other organs of the body. And then comes the organ system. The organ system consists of multiple organs working together for broader processes. For example, circulatory system یا دستگاه گردش خون. Respiratory system, دستگاه تنفسی. We have other organ system like digestive system, دستگاه گوارش, or nervous system, that's system عصبی. Okay, here's a question. Name some organs in digestive system. We have stomach, appendix, intestine. These are names of organs in digestive system. And here is the hierarchy. The hierarchy here says we have cells, tissues, organs, organ system. Let me write it here. Organ system, and then the living things. It can be plants or animals or humans. Okay, so we see that there are some cells here, blood cells, muscular cells or nervous cells, and then we got some tissues. We've got some tissues here. As stated before, tissues are made of some cells work together. And then we have organs. Organs are made of tissues. Here we have heart, kidney, bone, brain, skin. These are some of the organs of the body. And then comes the organ system. Here we have a skeletal organ system, and then respiratory organ system, nervous system, circulatory system, and digestive system. Okay, so this is a hierarchy. Okay, Cells are simplest structures. Tissues are a group of similar cells working together. Organs are a group of similar tissues acting together. Organ systems are a group of organs working together. Okay, so we learned this hierarchy about parts of the body, parts of the human body, or parts of living things. Tissue is just what we call the level of biology between cells and organs, because cells are easy to define. Cells is the building block of living things, and organs are easy to comprehend because, for example, we say heart. Heart is an organ. Eye is an organ. Ear is an organ. But something between these is something difficult to explain, and we call tissues the level of biology between cells and organs. The skin is made of various tissues. Okay, here are some examples in humans. Examples of what? Examples of organs. So here are examples of organs in humans. Heart, made of muscle tissue, contracts. Nervous system, controls beats, connective tissue, and support. Okay, lung is another example of organs in human body. Stomach, skin. Skin is the largest organ, protects the body and regulates temperature. Okay, here are some examples of organs in plants. So let me add, this is examples of organs in plants. Leaf, roots, and flower. Leaf contains palisade tissue, xylem and phloem. Epidermis, okay. Roots absorbs water and minerals, anchors plants. Flower is the reproductive organ of the plants. Okay, so there's a question here. Name 3 organs of a plant. We can say roots, leaf, and flower. There is an analogy between the hierarchy of building blocks of the living things and the house. We can say cells are like bricks. Tissues are like walls made of bricks. Organs are like entire room, which means walls, window, door working together. An organ system, which is made of organs, is the whole house, which is made of rooms, different rooms. So in this analogy, cell is just like a brick, tissue is like a wall, organ is like a room, and organ system is like a house. As a house composed of different rooms, organ system has different organs in it. And room is made of walls, organs are made of tissues. Wall is made of bricks, tissue is made of cells. Brick is the building block of wall, is the building block of a house, or the smallest piece. We can say cell is the smallest piece of an organ system, or a living thing. Okay, it is enough here.